Biodiversity is the variety of plants and animals in the whole world or in just a specific environment. And if we don't start looking after it, our world will end up looking a little something like this. I, for one, don't want that to happen. I don't know about you, but I would much rather a world with lots of trees and green spaces, and more places where wildlife can roam freely. Also, places with less litter. And lastly, more places that encourage people to get outdoors, like eating areas and community gardens. Lucky for us, there are a few simple things we can do to help make the world a cleaner, more aesthetically pleasing place for everyone. For example, we can set aside 1 hour a week at your school, work, in your local community, or even just in your household to go around and pick up rubbish. Not only does this keep wildlife safe, but it also lowers pollution. We can also plant more plants in our gardens, especially ones that attract more bees and other animals. This may seem simple, but it impacts the biodiversity incredibly. We can take this one step further and talk to your school or work about getting a garden which either your students or colleagues can take care of. Not only does this help the biodiversity, but it also helps people learn more about the environment. Lastly, ever heard of the 3 R's? Well, the easiest way to protect biodiversity is to recycle. This is so simple yet so effective. So, how does biodiversity benefit us? Well, for one thing, biodiversity has led to the development of medicines that come from plants or microbes. So, the more plants, animals, and microbes that exist, the better chances of finding treatments for a wide range of diseases and conditions. Biodiversity also helps to reduce greenhouse gases, and biodiversity also helps us with employment, as heaps of jobs in the world today rely on biodiversity. For example, ecotourism, agriculture, forestry, and outdoor recreation. So take your pick. Which world do you want to live in? I know which one I'd choose.